In this video, we'll show you how to upload knowledge files in Qlik Cloud. From the Qlik Cloud Analytics Activity Center, select Answer. Select Upload Knowledge Files. You can drag and drop your data files into the dialog. Alternatively, click Browse and navigate to your data files. You can upload an unstructured data file for use in knowledge bases. Supported file types include TXT, PDF, DOC, PPT, HTML, and others. Please visit the Qlik help site to see all supported file types. Select a destination space for the files. When done, click Upload. Now go to Catalog and select the space where you've uploaded the knowledge file. This file can now be used in Qlik Answer as a knowledge base source. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.